Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Guys, if you're struggling with the slow download speeds on Telegram for Android in 2025, here is a smooth and simple guide to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal. Sometimes that's the simplest fix is just switching networks or toggling airplane mode on and off. Next, clear Telegram's cache. Go to settings, data and storage usage, then tap on clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be slowing this down. Also, check if Telegram is background data usage is restricted. Here's your phone settings. Then go to apps, tap on Telegram, mobile data and Wi-Fi, and ensure background data is enabled. Another tip is update Telegram to the latest version. Developers often release performance fixes that can improve download speed. If you're still facing issue, try disabling any VPN or proxy service that might be interfering with your connection. Lastly, restarting your device can refresh network settings and boost your download speeds. Following these steps should get your Telegram downloads running faster in no time. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and guides.